Hey everyone, welcome back to the Smart Plan. Today we're diving into a topic that's super important for anyone looking to boost their metabolism and shed those few extra pounds: metabolic adaptation. In the next few minutes, I'll share 5 simple tips on how to fix metabolic adaptation and get your body firing on all cylinders again. Let's jump right in. I learned about metabolic adaptation the hard way. After months of dieting and successful fat loss, I eased up over Christmas and gained 10 pounds in 3 weeks, and my weight loss completely stalled. First off, what exactly is metabolic adaptation? Also known as adaptive thermogenesis or metabolic crash, it's your body's natural survival mechanism. When you're in a calorie deficit for a long period, meaning you're eating fewer calories than you burn, your body thinks it's in danger of starvation and slows down your metabolism to conserve energy. It does this by shifting energy that it would have used for metabolic processes like cell repair, organ function, and thermoregulation, and even reproductive functions, to fuel physical activity. This makes it harder to lose weight and also affects your energy levels and mood. Keep an eye out for my video on constrained total energy expenditure, which dives deeper into why this happens. But don't worry, your metabolism isn't broken. With the right approach, you can turn things around. Tip number 1, don't over-restrict. It might sound counterintuitive, but sometimes eating a bit more can actually keep your metabolism humming. Instead of drastically cutting calories, focus on eating nutrient-dense foods. Focus on a small calorie deficit. Think fiber-rich vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. By choosing quality over quantity, you give your body the fuel it needs without triggering the starvation response. To recover from a metabolic crash, however, slowly increase calories back up to your total energy consumption level. So, no calorie deficit until your metabolism recovers. Some refer to this as reverse dieting. Tip number 2, reduce your cardio if you are doing more than 150 minutes per week. This may also seem counterintuitive, but the key is to shift your body from saving calories for physical exercise and direct them back to metabolic processes like cell repair and organ function. Tip number 3 is all about your workout routine. While exercise is essential, too much physical stress can actually trigger metabolic adaptation. It's important to strike the right balance. Reassess your current fitness routine and mix in strength training and cardio. And don't forget to schedule in rest days. This balanced approach not only supports metabolic health, but also promotes overall weight loss and muscle preservation. However, if you have hit a metabolic crash, to recover, you must prioritize strength training. Building lean muscle is the only proven way to raise your basal metabolic rate. However, if you have hit a metabolic crash, protein takes advantage of the thermic effect of food, where your body burns calories just digesting food. And finally, tip number 5, manage stress and prioritize sleep. It's easy to overlook, but stress and lack of sleep can really mess with your metabolism. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night and find healthy ways to manage stress. Whether that's through meditation or just a quiet walk in nature. When your hormones are balanced, your body is better equipped to regulate metabolism and manage weight efficiently. So there you have it, 5 straightforward tips to help you reverse metabolic adaptation and revitalize your metabolism. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance that works for your unique body. Experiment with these tips, listen to your body, and adjust your routine until you find what makes you feel best. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you'd like to share your own experiences with metabolic adaptation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.